Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 3 English Guess Math Plus 3 workbook on page 89. So this is Phonics 4. Okay, number 1, listen and match. So later I will play the audio for this phonics. So before I play it, I want to explain briefly the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds. So if you take a look at this one, basically we are learning A, E, I, O, U. So if you take a look in this dictionary, so basically dictionary we have this maybe if you talk about this briefly, the pronunciation symbols. So we have vowel sounds. Basically we have A, E, I, O, U. So for these first 5 short vowel sounds, and then we have others consonant sounds also. So basically you need to identify or remember the symbol. So as in this one, so this is like A and E combined, so this is A, and then E, I, so this is like lowercase of capitalized I, so A, E, I. So we have O here, so it's like closing, so O, and then U, we have inverted V here, so as U. So if you take a look in the dictionary, so right after the word, so maybe just, so for this one, so want, so if you see clearly, so this is a pronunciation, so W, so this one, the O, NT, so want. This is American English, and then this one is this is British English, and then this is American English pronunciation. So they have some difference here. So basically you need to study thoroughly before you master the pronunciation. So because you are year 3, so I will keep it as simple as possible, but not simpler. So this is A, E, I, O, U. So I minimize it a bit again. So later I will play this audio.
Workbook, Phonics 4, Activity 1. Listen and match. 1. 10, 10. 2. Fat, fat. 3. Sun, sun. 4. Fish, fish. 5. Socks, socks.
So actually you need to notice or identify the second alphabet of the word. So for example this one E, so this one match with this E here, and then the second alphabet is A, so this is A and E, A, and then we have this U here, so inverted V, U, and then this second alphabet I, so lower cases of capitalized I, and then we have this one O, so it's like inverted A also, so it's like O. And then next we go to activity 2. So activity 2, look, say and write. So we have this pen, so P-E-N, and then we have cat, C-A-T, cat, and then the temperature is very hot, so sunny day, so we have O, hot, and then we have this box, we need to shut it, so S-H-U-T, shut, and then we have shark, sharks, fins, so I-F-I-N. So I give you an example. For example, this word here, hot. So in dictionary, So if you take a look here, so this is a word in the dictionary, and then this is a pronunciation in British English. So H, if you take a look, H-O-T, so the O is like the inverted A. So this is the UK English or the British English, and then this is the American English. So you can take a look in your dictionary, so how it pronounced for each word. So this is just for learning purpose. So we are on this page 89 of English Year 3, so Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here, and then right below this video there's a link, you can click it, you can join it.